Hello and welcome back to Investing for Generations, your channel for high quality stock research for long-term value investors. And since the earnings season goes on, AT&T published today before market opening the Q3 earnings, and I will go through these numbers and then will explain what I will do with my portfolio position after these numbers. And AT&T surprised today with strong Q3 earnings. Their revenue was down 5% year over year to $42.3 billion, but still beat the estimates by $750 million. And the non-GAAP EPS was 76 cents, which was almost on the estimated 77 cents. Domestic HBO and HBO Max subscribers totaled more than 38 million and 57 million. The HBO figure beats the company year's end target of 36 million subscribers. Max activations more than doubled since Q2, and the ad-supported service is set to launch in 2021. The CEO of AT&T, John Stankey, say wireless postpaid growth was stronger than it's been in years, with 1 million net additions, including 645,000 phones. We added more than 350,000 fiber broadband customers and are on track to grow our fiber base by more than 25% this year. And we continue to grow and scale HBO Max, with total domestic HBO and HBO Max subscribers topping 38 million, well ahead of our expectations for the full year. Our strong cash flow in the quarter positions us to continue investing in our growth areas and pay down debt. We now expect 2020 free cash flow of 26 billion or higher, with a full year dividend payout ratio in the high 50s. So that's very, very positive news for AT&T and of course for the shareholders of AT&T. And the CEO just talked about the most important points, I think. First of all, about the growth of the business, of course, but then also about the goal to lower the long-term debt. This is a very important thing for AT&T. In my view, the most important thing to lower the very high long-term debt. And of course, another very important thing for the shareholders, since AT&T is a big dividend payer, is that the dividend payout ratio will be in the high 50s, and therefore the dividend of AT&T seems still very, very safe. And that's very good news. And with this very, very good news, before the market opens, AT&T jumped almost 5% to $28 with a dividend yield of 7.78%, which is very, very high. But as we learned before, it seems like this even very high dividend is safe. I bought my shares of AT&T in March and April to average of $29.96, or let's say around $30, which is for me the intrinsic value I calculated in my first AT&T video, in my deeper analysis of the business and the company, an intrinsic value of $30. And feel free to check out this deeper analysis of the whole business of AT&T. You will find a link here on the top of the screen. And so I'm with my whole position a little bit down. Here you see that I'm down 8% with my AT&T position, but this is not the jump today included before market opening. So right now, currently, I'm down around 4%. And this, of course, is not positive if you're down, but AT&T for me is an absolutely base investment for the long term. I'm not very concerned that I'm down a little bit right now. I'm more happy about the surprisingly good news today and, of course, the safe dividend. And by the way, you can find a deeper analysis video of all of my stocks on my portfolio. Check out my channel and my playlist. And if you find any value of this video today or even the other videos, subscribe to the channel and join this group of long-term value investors. We are almost 450 people now, and just join this group and we have a win-win situation. I can grow my little YouTube channel and you can get very high quality value stock researchers. Thank you. And as I mentioned before, and as also the CEO mentioned, uh, the main goal for AT&T have to be the lower the long-term debt. This is too high. This have to be lower, and then everything else will follow. If AT&T is able to lower the long-term debt, I think there can be a bright future, and so I will hold my shares for the long term. Thanks for watching, and if you found any value, please subscribe to the channel and join me on my road to financial freedom. Thank you. And if you really like the video, give me a big thumbs up. This helps the YouTube algorithm a lot, and with that my channel. And ring the notification bell to never miss another video. And then we will see soon with another analysis of another stock. See you then. Take care. Bye bye.